Hello and welcome back to Human Resource Machine. I finally have sort of a plan. I think I'll try to do these three levers, 25, 26, 27 presumably. And then I don't know, maybe we'll watch the Midnight Petroleum, the cutscene thing, and then before we move on to the next tier of levers here, I think we'll go back and try to optimize as many of these as we can. I think I have a plan for Fibonacci multiplication. I think I can do some stuff as well. No clue for the mod module yet. I didn't really think about it, and I haven't seen these yet, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, today we'll just start with the next in line, number 25, level 25, year 25, cumulative countdown. Let's see what that entails. What is the purpose of this assignment? I think it's something about calculating the volume beneath staircases. We have to put the interns somewhere. Alright, for each thing in the inbox, outbox is sum of itself plus all numbers down to 0. For example, if inbox is 3, outbox should be 6 because 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. Alright. That doesn't sound that bad. We'll save it for now. I think we have to, yeah, because I can only sum of itself plus all numbers down to 0. So I assume there won't be any negative numbers? Yeah, let's just assume that that's the case. Outbox and then jump at some point, so let's just do that now. And okay, so we copy it down. We still have it in our hands. If it's 0, we'll just outbox 0, right? I think so, yes. If it's not 0, we'll just ignore negative for now. I don't see any negative numbers, and it's down to 0. It didn't explicitly say that there weren't any negative numbers, but I'll just work under the assumption that there aren't. And if there are, then you have to do something with jump there. Alright. Actually, yeah, we need to 0. Yeah, but I have to think about that once I get to that part, because the 0 is also the stop where I have to go and outbox. But yeah, let's just we copy down to 3. Can also save it. Yeah, I also need to save it somewhere else. Save it here. Alright, then I go and I copy from 0. Actually, I just bump 0. Then I go and add that to 1. Copy that to 1. Does that work like that? Does pump give me the thing in my hand? I think so, right? Then I don't even need that. It would just be this. I copy it to 1. I go and bump 0, which is 2, and I have 2 in my hand. Does it work like that? And I always forget which command does what exactly. I think it does. Bump gives me the thing. Then I go and add it to 1. Copy it to 1, then I go and bump that. That works. I think it should work. And if after bumping I hit 0, just go here and copy from here and outbox this. I don't know. This. I don't know. Let's just run it. Let's see what it does. Okay, so that works. Which means that that should work too. Yeah, so far so good. I could actually jump one earlier there. Would save a step. That seems too easy. Like, you already have the... Oh, and just doing that, would that do enough? To get the second optimization thing? It might not be enough on average. I don't know if the... Like, it only works if there's always a 0. Okay, it does. So that was really easy. I don't know, like the littlest number wasn't that bad, but this was really easy, I think. That's weird. We'll go small divide first, because I want to see. Because these are hard, the sidearm levers here. Remember last time when I told you you didn't need to divide? Well, now you get to. For each two things in the inbox, how many times does the second fully fit into the first? Don't worry about negative numbers, divide by 0 or remainders. Self-improvement tip. This might be a good time to practice copying and pasting from a previous assignment. Oh yeah, I guess I could copy my... But that code is so ugly. I really don't want to copy it, I think. Oh man. This is already getting ugly again. Okay, so what are my possible cases here? Like, this could be it's the same steps basically. I copy down both numbers so I have them saved. Then I take the first one, 8 in that case, and then I sub 3. So that could be 0. That would mean both numbers are the same. If that's 0, I just need to... I need a 1 actually, if that's 0. How do I get a 1? I have the 0 down here. Do I want to use that? I don't know. Like, I could just copy the 0 as the third thing, and then put it here, and then have that, like, if that is 0, bump that, outbox it, and if it's not negative, bump that. Add this to itself. I need to save it one more time even. I know, why is this so complicated? Like, in my head, it's just... I can't get a good grip of how to efficiently code this dividing business here. So yeah, three possibilities. It could be negative, then that's 0. That would mean copy from here and outbox and loop. Do we have a case like that? Yeah, 4, 8. Then I would do 4 minus 8 is minus 4, it's negative, so I copy 0, because 8... The question is, how many times does the second fully fit into the first? 8, 0 fits 0 times into 4, so it would be 0. And then I outbox 0 and start over again. If it's 0, then it's the same number. Like, I could just copy the 0, but I'm not sure if that's a good idea. I think I have to, though. The 0 here, then we go to the inbox, copy that to 0, to the first field, inbox, copy that here, grab this, do this. If it's negative, if it's 0, and then we always copy from 2 for the outbox. If it's negative, I need to get my result. Yeah. If it's 0, I could have it let's get rid of that for now. If it's negative, then I've gone too far, and I need to copy my result and leave. And if it's not negative, then I need to copy from 1. Or let's just do it like that again. It's so ugly again. All right. Oh man, it's so ugly. Oh, I hate it. Okay, I copied the 0 here, that's my counter, that's my result basically. Then I copy the 8 here into 3 here and here. I grab the 8, subtract the 3, this is 5, which is not negative. So I'm copying 3. Oh, let's bump 2, so it's 1. You know, it fits once. Then we copy whatever, that's I don't know, it's not the result. Like where we are at, I guess. Like in that case 3. We add 3 to it and save it back, 6. Then I jump. No, I jump. Up here. I copy the 8. I sub 6 is 2. It's not negative, so I bump this to a 2. I copy the 6. I add the 3. It's 9. I copy the 9 down. I go back up. I copy the 8. I sub the 9. This is negative, so I go and grab the 2 and outbox it. So that should work. Basically. Because I'm only bumping. Let's just. I need to see it work. I don't. It's ugly, I think. That has to be a way to do it with less or fewer variable save thingies and copies and all of that stuff. Like it seems so inefficient. Or inefficient, rather. Okay. This is 9. It's negative, so I outbox it 2. I reset my result. That's nice. 9. 2. It's 7. It's not negative. I bump this. 4. It's not negative. We bump it. We add 2. 6. It's not negative. We bump it. It's not negative. We bump it. And now that's it. Because now we have 10. 9 minus 10 is negative. So we outbox that. Oh, it won't work if it's... Oh, will it work? Actually, it should... I'm not sure how robust my code here is. It's negative, so 0 is the correct answer. Let's see. It works. It's the solution. 18 instead of 15. And how many steps? 89 instead of 76. Can I get rid of 3 commands? I don't know how I would do that. Yeah, I don't see. Because I have to reset the counter. I guess I could bump it, but that wouldn't be... No, that would be the same. Like it would be bump minus and then if 0 jump. Like I would bump it as long as it's... Oh, it would be 3 commands actually. Yeah, that would be less efficient even. Oh, can I somehow... Okay, sub 3. So take the 8 and I do minus 3, which is 5. And then I copy from 3. I could add 3, but that wouldn't save me a step. Yeah, I don't really see... a good way of doing it. And I need the 3 variables, right? I can't do it with... or the 4, I mean. I can't do it with 3. Because I need my result somewhere. Yeah, and I don't know the step if I get rid of the 3. Like if I don't save the 6 here but here, then the next would be 8 minus 6. Which is positive, but then I don't know the step. I have to have the 3 somewhere for the step. Yeah, I don't know. I could put these 2 down here, then I would save 2 steps. I can't do it in less than. No, no, I can't. I can't get that down. Because there's no other way I can have 0 in my hand without a command. Like I could do like copy to 0 and then sub 0 and copy to 2. But that's the same. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't have any ideas right now. So what we'll do is... Oh, actually, this is 27, I guess. We'll do it now. Looks kind of... What is that? Is that... Coffee would be good now. I'd like a cup of coffee. Is it the moon? I think it is. It's pretty big. It's not a good sign if the moon is that close. It's not the moon, okay. It's a gigantic eye. I have no clue what's going on. This is a strange game, but I'm enjoying it. All right. Career milestone 4, another achievement unlocked. Very nice. Yeah, this is... I don't know, we'll see how difficult these levels are. I guess this side of the thing wasn't too bad. Like, those were really easy to optimize even. But these on this side, tough. But yeah, I guess that's it for this episode. Next episode we'll tackle the 3 sort, and then I'll probably dive into the optimization thing and see how that goes. Like, I can't guarantee that I'll optimize all of those, because I want to come up with my own solution. Like, I don't want to look anything up or anything like that, so I can't promise that I will be able to optimize them, but I'll definitely try on each of them before we move on to storage floor. And if we don't, like, we can always come back to it later. Like, if I get stuck, if I can't make any progress on any of these, or like if one's left and I can't do it, then we'll just move on after like an episode or something to up here, and then try to get that last set of levers done. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.